All right, talk to your attorney about it.
Judge, man, we're going in circles. You're not to be disrespectful to the court.
Welcome back to Time Served, the channel that's the docket so you don't.
Default text. This is one of those hearings where the problem isn't the charge, it's communication. Or more accurately, the lack of it. Courts run on structure. Attorneys negotiate. Judges rule. Defendants decide. When someone starts blurring those lines, everything grinds to a halt. Here, the defendant wants to explain, negotiate, compare counties, and vent all to the wrong person. Judges don't negotiate pleas, they don't trade deals. And they definitely don't appreciate being pulled into back-and-forth conversations that should be happening privately with counsel. When a judge says, "We're going in circles," that's not impatience. That's a warning.
I just can't get enough of these attorneys being fed up and fired up when their clients, it's usually just an old-timer representing defendants back in Prohibition, and can't stand how these darn kids keep talking in circles. It is terrible for them, but comic relief for us. And speaking of relief, what if I told you I could alleviate the strain of online predators gaining access to your information? Well, today's sponsor, Aura, is that. Set your notifications to all. Let's roll, nerds.
Just got never better to find
Pardon me? First row, ma'am, please just have your names.
So, Justin Cotton?
Yes, ma'am. Judge, now he wants to approach you talking.
Oh, no, just give me 1 second, Mr. Cotton. I'm sorry.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
You get wherever you want to hear it, Judge.
Yes, what is happening?
He's made an offer of 8 years. He is declined.
Oh, no. Here's the thing. You all are doing plea negotiations. I'm not supposed to know what the offer is because plea negotiations are confidential. So my only question is, where are we on this case?
Judge, the state has extended an offer to Mr. Cotton. He is at this point declining that offer. I did make Mr. Sherman aware that currently he's alleged to be a repeat offender, but most likely we will be re-indicting him absently to allege the habitual offender allegation. So that's the only potential change that might happen. I don't think it'll derail necessarily the settings, but we might have to re-indict just for that purpose.
All right. So what do you want to do, Mr. Cotton?
Your Honor, I just came from Nueces County. I have paperwork. I just signed 5-year deferred adjudication over there. Similar charge.
Here's the thing. I don't have any.
I understand.
Don't negotiate with me, right? I'm not the person you negotiate with. The person you negotiate with is the state through your attorney. So don't come before me saying that Nueces County or whoever it is gave you deferred and that you want me to do that, because I haven't seen any of the facts in your case. I only know what you're charged with. And once if you decide to enter a plea, or if you decide to enter into open plea to the court, that's when I'll know what you're charged with and the facts behind the case. So as far as you negotiating with me, trying to get a specific deal, this is not the time for that. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you want to continue to confer with your attorney?
I was the open plea.
All right. Talk to your attorney about it.
Judge, man, we're going in circles. You're not to be disrespectful to the court. He's asked for another lawyer. If he doesn't get it he wants, he keeps on going around.
He said he wants to talk to you about an open plea. So please discuss an open plea with your attorney.
I did do that.
All right, then. If he wants to do an open plea, you all need to fill out paperwork.
Well, if I'm angry, it's your fault. Much later.
That's scheduled for today or something, but it kind of all hit me last week and I don't know too much about it yet.
All right. So on this one, let's see if we can get a 45-day reset. September 26th.
Should I put in paperwork then?
I don't know. Now, approach.
Yes.
Mr. Cotton.
Yes.
So I'm having difficulty communicating with him. You see that every time I approach him again, he changes his mind about what he wants to do.
All right, Mr. Cotton, come up, please.
Now he's stuck through. He doesn't want another lawyer, which might be a.
Well, Mr. Cotton, please come up.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 1 second. What page was Linda Corley's slide on?
Yeah. For the second week, then which one?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. All right, Mr. Cotton, what would you like to do?
I'm not. I'm just trying to comprehend everything. I'm a little slow, like just trying. I'm not like the court system, but
Oh, no, here's the thing.
I'm not trying to fire him. He's telling me to fire him. That's I'm saying I'm not doing that. He's saying he don't want to represent me.
All right, do you wish to represent him, yes or no?
No,
All right, then you're excused. All right, just have a seat and we'll get you another attorney, okay?
Today,
thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, we'll get you an attorney today.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, because I
No.
no.
We're gonna get you an attorney, okay? Just have a seat.
I'm here.
This
I don't
sentence
have
isn't
any-
just about
I
punishment.
understand.
It's a
Don't
final
negotiate with me,
6
right?
months is not
I'm not the
headline
person
here.
you negotiate with. The
conditions are
person you
CPS
negotiate with is the
No
state
contact
through your
orders.
attorney.
Drug court,
So
parenting classes,
don't come before
field
me
visits,
saying that
weekly
Nueces
reporting.
County or whoever
Every
it
one of
is
these
gave you
requirements is a
deferred
test.
and that
Not
you
for
want
the
me to
court,
do
but
that.
for the children
Because I
watching from
haven't
the
seen any of
sidelines.
the facts in your
Judges
case. I
don't
only
remove
know what you're
children.
charged with.
Parents lose them
And
by
once
failing to
if you
change.
decide
And
to
when a
enter
court
a
says,
plea,
if you love
or
your
if you
children,
decide
prove it.
to
That's not
enter
rhetoric.
into
That's the
open
last
plea to the
line before
court,
permanent
that's when I'll
termination
know what
becomes
you're
real.
charged
If
with
this
and the facts
breakdown helped
behind
you
the
understand how
case.
CPS
So as
cases
far as
really
you
work,
negotiating
hit
with
like,
me,
subscribe,
trying to get a
and share your
specific
thoughts below.
deal,
This channel breaks
this is
down
not
real
the time for
courtroom
that.
moments where
You
choices,
understand?
not excuses,
All right, so
decide
do you
the
want to
outcome.
continue?
You just have for him.
Your father wants to talk as well. All right, ma'am, what I'm going to do is set your bond in the amount of $500 on, $1,500 and get you for a video review.
Yeah, so if she's selling up for it, so I'm sure. Well, so I've been here since
All right.
1:30. That's all. Yeah, I think the court.
That's all, folks.
This is courtroom triage. The judge isn't taking sides. She's restoring order. When an attorney says they can't represent a client anymore, the court doesn't argue. It moves fast. New counsel, new reset, clean slate, because confusion benefits no one, especially the defendant. But here's the reality most people miss. Every reset costs time. Every delay keeps the case alive. And every moment spent circling instead of deciding keeps someone in custody longer. Courts don't punish confusion, but they don't cater to it either. If this breakdown helped you understand why judges shut down circular arguments fast, hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. This channel breaks down real courtroom moments where clarity matters more than emotion.